malunggay ay pwede na uling mag-harvest kapag luto ng seafood na may malunggay. Kaya eto na, yun ang kagandahan kapag meron kang tanim sa bakuran o sa iyong manghanan, ay pwede kang mamitas. Walang bawal lumabas kapag sarili mo at iyang aanihin mo sa'yo. Hindi ka na manghihingi. Yan, namimitas ako ng malunggay para ilagay sa aking gustong gisahing seafood. Meron clam. Gagawin ko, igigisa ko ang clam with this malunggay. Kaya salamat malunggay sa iyong bigay. Kami makakakain ng libreng malunggay. Di na ako bibili. Available pa anytime. Kaya halika, magluto tayo ng clam na may malunggay. See ya! Hello! Nako, nasusunog na ang aking bawang. I'm going to cook some clam meat. Nasunog na ang bawang. Pumitas ako ng malunggay kanina. And I am going to cook my clam meat with this ingredients. Nagkasulugan na. Masyadong mainit ang aking pan. Hello everybody. I have clam meat to make. This clam meat from the Oriental store is already out of the shell, and malunggay. Kaya ang aking cooking my base, that's of course my favorite ingredients: onion, garlic, tomato, and this time I'm adding ginger for my clam. What are you cooking today? I decide to cook some moringa. I need to put some water to this thing. How are you? Salamat po for coming. At this time, kumukulo na ang aking base ng aking soup, which is onion, garlic, tomato, and I added my favorite, ginger. Ginger is good to help your stomach feel calm. So I'm now going to add the clam meat. This is frozen clam meat I bought at the Oriental store, and later I'm going to add malunggay, moringa leaves. So I have added salt and pepper in this soup base, kaya it's ready. I just need to add my clam meat to give it more flavor. And then after that, I'm going to add later on this moringa leaves that I just freshly picked from my front yard. I am going to let this soup base to boil so we can get the flavor of this clam meat. Let's taste. Oh my God, ang sarap. Sinuwam na clam meat. Yan ang aking ulam ngayon. And I'm going to add this moringa. Sarap. Lalong-lalo na pagka maramdaman mo yung sarap ng ginger sa pagkain ito. So, I'll just wait until this boil and I'll add this moringa. How do you cook your clam meat? Yan, it starts to boil now. Nagbo-boil na siya. Pwede nang ilagay ang once the clam meat is cooked, this soup is ready, and I'll just add the moringa. You can notice the soup is changing its color too, from clear to this little cloudy, because the flavor of the clam meat is in the soup now. Ayan. Oh, sarap. Boiling, I can add the moringa. And I just remove them from the stem. Now you just add the moringa. And that's the soup. Look at that. Look like a waterfall right there. And that's it. You just let this into a boil. Not too long, so the moringa will still keep its freshness. Turn off the heat. And the soup is ready. That is my take on this yummy clam meat with ginger, onion, garlic, and tomato. And that's how I cook this clam meat in I wish I can share this with you. This is the taste of this clam meat. Now with the moringa in it, let me try. Oh, wow. Even better. That's how I cook my clam meat with moringa. Thank you for watching, and that is how I cook this moringa with clam meat, ginger, tomato, and onion. See you soon. God bless. Bye.